You want to talk a little more to me? Huh? Oh, really? What else? What else do you have to say to me, huh? Oh, really? I didn't know that. Yeah, I didn't know that. Did you have a good night, huh? So you've been a good sleeper lately, haven't you? Yeah. So we all feel better when you sleep, don't we? Life is good, huh? Can you say bye-bye? Say goodbye to the camera. Can you say bye, Kaden? Say, nope, the camera is too mesmerizing. Hey, hey. Okay, till next time.